Hi, welcome back to Fransham Forge YouTube. I'm just going to do a little film on the new Anyang ST forging press we've got for a customer so he can see it working, because we're about to send it to him. It's a 30-ton press. I do a 50-ton. This is their new model. I really like this. It's a bit less complicated than the other one and it's really quick. But I'll show you the features of it and then I'll forge a bit of bar on it. Now, when you turn it on, if you turn it on and for some reason, you can press pull start, I've got manual down, manual up. If you turn it on and for some reason it doesn't work, you've got a phase around the wrong way, stop it immediately, change two wires, because I've had people that have got L1 on L2 if their workshop's wrong. So it's hydraulic pump, it'll be sucking instead of blowing. It won't hurt the machine if you turn it off quick. Now we've filled it with oil, so they've got a different feature on there. You've got manual, I'll put it on manual, manual down, manual up. Now if I hit emergency stop, it doesn't turn the pump down, but it stops you bringing it down, look. So you can't cross your hands because it's on automatic, but you can still lift it up. Then if I put it on, because an emergency's jammed in, if I take the emergency out, then away it goes. So if you accidentally lean on it and then you think it isn't working, that's easy. Twist it and pull it out. Power hammers do the same. You watch it when it goes down, look. I'm going to heat a bar up on our induction heater. I'm going to bring it through and forge it. So if you we'll get it hot, then I'm going to run round in there. If you go in there and wait for me, I'll come through. Oh, I'm just going to forge him out quick. Give me the pedal, I'm losing my heat now. With a press is because these are all cold, it sucks the heat out like hell. I'll get another heat. I need the heat here. Once you get your heat into it, it's really quick, but I'm running right across the workshop. By the time I get out here, I've lost my heat, but it draws out really fast, and once the dies are warm and they're not quite chill on them, it'll forge twice as quick. But it's only 30 ton. So if you see the 50 ton, oh man, that forges even quicker. Right, well I hope that's sort of answered any queries. We're about to post it. And I love them, they're really good. You can bolt your tools on here on the dies, you can make different type dies. If you want to draw out quick and you have round tools, oh man, you can't keep up with it, it's mega. But I do like power hammers. And presses are really good, but power hammer's quicker drawing out in certain conditions. Press is more accurate. You can set a stop on there so you can press to the same depth every time. You can put a register plate on there, you can put tools on there, you just work in a different way with a press. The only thing you've got to remember with a press is it's 30 ton. Do not put hard steel in there that is cold, because it can blow up and come flying out at you. And there's loads of things on YouTube, you'll see people crushing ball bearings to show you what happens. Also, if you put a hard ball bearing in there, you'll push it into your die block. So, you know, common sense on it. Be careful, don't forge cold. All right, thank you, hope you enjoyed that. I could turn him up, but it was set on 10 when they were testing it out. I'll leave him on 15. It's just a little lock nut there, you can just do it up. But you can adjust that a little bit. But, you know, like I say, most of my presses go up a lot more than this, but you can just set it to whatever job you're going to do. Otherwise, if you set it too high and you've got a mild steel tool and you're trying to press little components, you start destroying the tool. So you can turn him down a bit, so you can do thin stuff, 1.2 tin, squashing little flowers in it with a forging die. Then that ain't too bad, turn your pressure down. If you're forging something that's red hot and you want more forging, turn the pressure up. But most blacksmiths are animals like me. What they'll do is just have everything set flat out as fast as you can. Well, if you don't need it, don't have it flat out. It's up to you. But there